today we're at Clifty Falls State Park in southern Indiana. I live so close to here, I feel like I'm exploring my own backyard today. It's a beautiful... Now that I'm all geared up, let's get to it. I was trying to make a cool packing up scene, but I already put my keys in my bag. If any of the long-term viewers remember me and my boyfriend coming here in the winter, we actually hiked to this fire tower. But, because we were just wanting to do a little hike because it was so cold. Today though, I'm turning at the fire tower, going underneath it. Right now we're going down a pretty steep hill, descending down into a canyon. And you might be thinking, a canyon in Indiana? I don't know what else to call it though. It's a very big creek bed. I've never been there before, but I know it's gonna be a steep ravine. Okay, now we're coming up in this very beautiful flowery area. Now we're coming up to the intersection of two trails. We're leaving Trail 1 and going down into the creek bed. Trail 2 specifically. It's rocky, it's wobbly, oh gosh. I think I'm gonna start heading back. If I wanted to, and I had all day, there's plenty more trail just like this to explore, but it's gonna be probably a long hike out of here with how steep it was. That was definitely steep, but it wasn't as long as I remembered. It was over pretty fast. I think a lot of times us outdoorsy folks get into the habit of daydreaming about far off, epic looking places, but we gotta remember there's state parks, city parks all over, and you know, even if it's not the Grand Canyon, you can still find peace out in nature. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. See y'all next time. Psych, not gonna drive with my camera.